So this week I'm gonna go over to a lake that I saw I was able to fly my drone on without issue, so I'll go handle that today. Should be relatively quick. I don't want to leave my dogs too long. So you may notice I don't have my windshield on the last ride that I went on. A couple of the screws were starting to come out, and I'm lucky that it didn't fall off completely, but Memphis Shades is going to send me some more screws.
Next up is probably going to be
Man, this windshield sure does make a difference. Not having it anymore really sucks. And that Ohlin suspension that I was talking about, I'm probably not going to get that for a few more weeks. I got an email that it's on back order, so not to expect it till sometime in June. I'm going to turn up my podcast. Alright, so I guess I'll start talking right here, since this is a completely new area that you guys have never seen. So I've been watching a lot of this guy named Kyle Dunnigan on YouTube. Super hilarious. He does all kinds of impressions. He's a breath of fresh air because he makes fun of not only conservatives but liberals as well. So it's not like watching Fox News where they're shoving conservative shit down your throat, but then it's not like watching CNN where they're shoving liberal shit down your throat. He just makes fun of everybody. And my favorite one has got to be his Stallone impression, where it's called something with Stallone. I don't know, but he does this thing called Yo. And man, I was rolling last night. That was super hilarious. But yeah, if you guys haven't checked out Kyle Dunnigan, highly recommend it. But yeah, I'll probably just put on some music, let you guys enjoy this ride. Not having this fairing really sucks. Damn, 420 for regular? Jesus Christ. You just castrate me right now. It's ridiculous, man. Oh, apparently this is the spot. Cool. It's like little overlook park area. According to the drone app, it should be safe to fly here. So I'll go ahead and get some drone footage. Haven't really used that in a while. Bike looks kind of funky right now without the fairing and the bags. Well, no fairing and the bags are on, I mean. It looks like an old man bike. I really don't care. Uh-oh, that dog is... He's just not having it, dude. What the hell? This is supposed to be some overlook area? I don't see no overlook. Oh, there's a deer. Son of a bitch, you better not jump out in front of me. Okay, if I don't see an area, damn, yeah. Maybe it's by this car. I think this is somebody's private property, actually. Yeah, it is. God damn it. Yeah, I don't know what my GPS was trying to do back there, but I'm still about 9 miles, according to that sign, from my destination, so there's the Texas Hill Country. Everything's so expensive. I don't even want to stop to get a drink or anything. It's too much. 10 miles. It's like I'm going farther away and then closer and then farther away and then closer. Whatever. This is a really nice route. Yeah, the windshield makes a huge difference. Dear God, I don't know how I was driving this thing around without a windshield. So yeah, the video cut out back there. My battery died. So I'm not sure where it died at, but yeah, when I got to the spot, I noticed there was too many people. So I didn't want to deal with potentially somebody saying, hey, we don't want that drone here. So I didn't even fly my drone. And now I'm just gonna go back home. Yeah, I'm not sure if it picked it up on the video earlier, but I'll say it again if not. Thanks for joining me on this week's ride. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys next week.